This is the repair kit for the BN44-00197A Samsung power supply. The kit comes with 7 capacitors. And as you can see on this one, there are 3 that are already vented. That is this one, and this one here. The most common ones are these 4. And in this kit, we're going to replace those 4 and these 3. So on this board, we already know the locations for the capacitors. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and remove all of them at once, and then I'll solder all the capacitors once they are back in place. And on this particular board, somebody had already changed these, but since I don't know where they come from, I don't know the quality, I'm going to go ahead and change them anyway. I like to use the soldering iron to remove some of the solder out of the holes. That way it's easy to put the new capacitors in place. So we got those 4, and we'll put them in, making sure that the negative side is on the negative side mark on the circuit board, and on this circuit board the negative side is marked by that white mark on this side of the circle, so we know this negative is that way. So that's those 4, and I like to push them in and then move the pins out a little, just so that they stay in place until I solder them in place. Now I'll take out the other 3. Okay, now that they are all in place, we'll go ahead and solder every pin. And we missed one here. Okay. And once they are all soldered in, we can cut the excess. They are all soldered in place, and we can now get rid of some of that excess.